Join me and make my hair with Mega Growth Relaxer. So here I'll be dividing the hair into four. I'll be dividing it into four. There are a lot of dandruff in my hair. So my hair is very stubborn. Very stubborn. The combing was very tough. Very tough. It wasn't easy for me at all. Very painful. So after combing, I will plait it. After sharing and combing, I'll plait it this way in order to hold it together. Okay? So that's how I did it. I'm looking more beautiful. So I'll be pouring the Mega Growth in the cup, cut it, pour it there, and mix it. Okay? So after pouring it, I use the tip of my comb and mix it very well. Okay? Very well. You have to mix it very well. So I just cleaned the comb there to keep it aside for later using. So I applied shea butter the front of my hair and the back so that my hair will not burn. So I have a very sensitive skin. I have put on my hand gloves. I also remember that the center of my hair is to hot me faster. So I applied more shea butter there as well. So now I'll start applying the relaxer. Yeah, you apply it. Don't allow it to get to the front very well because that place will start hurting you on time. Okay, just do it upwardly. After applying the hair, as you're applying, you make sure to massage it in very well. Massage it in very well. Okay, yeah. I'll massage mine very well before I'll then okay, the massaging process is going on. So I'll now take more relaxer. I'll divide it. I'll apply. I'll divide it. I'll apply. So that's how I'll do till I'm done applying it. So that nowhere will be left untouched. Okay? Do yours this way, you enjoy it. You will like it. It will relax very well. If you have a very stubborn hair, use Mega Growth Super. It does magic to the hair. So after opening and applying, I massage it very well. Apply more, massage it, and then roll it and keep. I'm having cough, please pardon me. So I'm done with that one. I just want to show you guys how I did the back as well. The same process. After massaging, you cut open, you apply, you cut open and apply so that you will get the inside properly, okay? So that all of them will relax well, okay? Yeah. So I will massage it very well, okay? Very well. Excuse me. Very well. I don't usually go to salon to relax my hair because I have a very sensitive scalp. I'll pay them money to relax my hair. Before you know it, I will wash it off because I will not be able to wait for it to relax. So it's better I spend only relaxer money and do it myself. At this point now, I've finished applying all of them. Yeah, and my arms are already paining me, so I'll have to comb it. I'll comb it out, okay? Use comb and comb yours. If you like small comb, you use small comb, okay? But I like to use big comb to comb it out first. because it will be easier. Then after combing, I'll massage it. I'll still repeat the process. The remaining three, I'll still repeat the combing process with the three. Excuse me. So I've applied more relaxer. Now I've applied both the front and everywhere. Okay, because any moment from now, if it pains me, I'll wash it. After applying, I massaged three of them together. I'll be using the Mega Growth shampoo. So my baby was disturbing. I brought her to come and say hello to you guys. Alright, after 10 minutes later, I went to wash it off. Yeah, that is what it looks like. Very soft and free. At least that is what I want. I didn't carry it for long because it started hurting me. You know, Mega Growth Super has more chemical, or how will I put it? It's usually more harsh than the other one. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.